or disorganized chaos. You can definitely hear dogs.
Over there.
Hey.
These are dog meat dogs.
Yeah. We have everybody pretty much gathered behind us here. Progress has slowed way down at this point, but it's still moving forward. The first gentleman was much quicker to allow access into his side of the meat house. Over here, the puppy mill side, the gentleman's a lot more reluctant to want to allow us to come in. Right now, there's a lot of red tape that we have to go through in order for us to gain access here. The vets have already gone in. They've done their assessment, and now they're collectively getting together and discussing what should happen next. When you look at this area right here, it looks very small, but after the crews have gained access, it opens. It sounds like they're about to bring them out, but behind those very small walls is a big, vast open area with three levels of dogs, which is mostly unseen. Most that we've seen is 2 levels. Here, there's 3 and 4. So we're not sure how many total dogs are behind this area, but it's probably the same, if not more, that's on the other side.
Hey, Colt, we just got confirmation there's 300 to 500 dogs in there.
Wow.
So they're going to bring them out. They're setting up a table over here to examine some of them as they bring them out, and that is used to verify what the veterinarians think is wrong.
Hey guys, come check this out. We have the vets over here. They're pulling out, they're getting set up on their table. They have some testing kits inside the bag. It's just been confirmed that there's around 300 to 400, 500 dogs just behind this wall, which is unbelievable. It's a very small space in there. I don't know how most of them didn't get extremely sick. Dogs are coming out now.
Oh, yeah, we can do that. 내가 아까 걔 찾아보는 애야. 오늘 퇴근한 거 있어.
At this point, they're not really saying I want that one because he looks good. They're saying I want that one because he may look sick, or this one over here, and that's how they're doing this right now. But they've got a lot of dogs to do. They have to do this to every single dog, and if there's 500 dogs in there, it's going to take a long time for them to get through. It won't be a one-day process.
It's basically floor-to-ceiling dogs, every breed you can think of, every size, living on top of each other. It's pretty filthy. It's pretty bad.
Come on, let's show you inside. This one here has got a bad eye injury. So it's almost about 4 o'clock. We've been going since about 9:30 this morning. We finally gained access. We've started to pull some of the dogs out. We've got most of the bigger dogs that were out on the ground. Now we're starting to go into each of the kennels and pull out the smaller dogs. In the middle of rescuing one of the bigger huskies that was entrapped underneath where the animals go to the bathroom, We ended up finding another room of small puppies and small pugs.
By law in Korea, it's still his property until he releases them. They can fine him an exorbitant amount of money, which they don't want to do. They want to get the dogs out of here. So they're not giving him too many options right now. The veterinarians have already said, close it down. So that's what's happening.